Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Fun Learn. So today I bought few worksheets for the children because we have made many activities, many videos on the concepts like number counting, number recognition, then we have done the quantification of numbers. That means child knows how to count the objects and write the numbers. Then we have done escape counting also. So we have done many activities with the children for number counting. Now it's the time for their assessment, right? So we can make these types of worksheets for the children and we can make them practice their concepts of counting, their quantification of numbers and skip counting. So let's start. So this is my first worksheet. This worksheet says count the flowers in the cake and make candles respectively and write numbers in box. As you have already seen, these worksheets are the creative worksheets which caters to different aspects of child like fine motor skills also, like number recognition, quantification of objects and hand-eye coordination also. So this type of worksheet is very useful for the child. Because like you can see in this activity what I have done is I have made a cake with a flower. Now in this child have to count the number of flowers in the cake, then draw the candles of the same number and we're going to write the number over here. And for the enjoyment of child, I have not colored these cakes so that child can color the cake also and will feel some enjoyment in the activity, right? So let's start. In this cake, how many flowers are there? One flower. So child can write one over here and child can draw one candle like this. Then child can color the cake and candles as well. Then in the next cake, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 flowers. That means we have to draw 3 candles over the cake like this. And what I have to write over here? I have to write number 3. Very good. Then how many flowers in this cake? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So child will write number 6 over here and will draw how many candles? 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after you did this activity with the child, then you can easily rub this number because this is the sheet protector I am using over here. So you can repeat this activity many times with the child so that child becomes comfortable with this activity and learns the number, how to count the objects, how to write the number and then how to draw and color. So this is the multidisciplinary activity which will going to help the child in many ways, right? Then this is worksheet number 2 which says count the objects, color and write the number in the box. So again this worksheet will going to practice counting of objects, that is quantification of numbers. See how many stars are there? 1, 2 and 3. So child will going to write 3 over here, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again child have counted from 1 to 5. So that means practice of counting is going on. Then child can color the leaves also so that fine motor skills are also developed. So again you can count the number of popsicles and write over here. You can count the number of ice cream cones and write over here in this box. Then you can count the number of watermelon and you can write in this box. Similarly, I have drawn some huts, I have drawn some lollipops and then I have drawn some balloons. So after counting each and every object, child will going to write it in the box. At the end of the video, I am going to show you how child will going to write it. So please watch the full video. Now this is worksheet number 3. This is very interesting activity for the child. Now this worksheet says draw and color respective number of scoops. What I have done is I have written the numbers on the left hand side and I have drawn the ice cream cone on the right hand side, but without the ice cream scoop. तो इसमें बच्चे नंबर पढ़ेंगे and then child will going to draw the similar number of scoops over here. Like ये number क्या है? This is 4. So how many scoops are we going to draw over here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are 4 scoops of ice cream. Similarly, which number is this? This is number 3. So 1, 2 and 3 scoops of ice cream. Yummy. Then this is 5. So how many we have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big ice cream. So like this you can practice each and every number with the same concept of drawing the cone alone, and let the child draw the number of scoops themselves. Like this child will going to enjoy, will going to learn how to make circles, will going to learn how to recognize the number and how to count the numbers. Okay. Then next activity is worksheet number 4. Match the similar numbers. Now here we have written numbers from 1 to 10. According to your child's age, you can write numbers from 1 to 20 also. It depends on you. My child is a little younger, so I have written 1 to 10. They have to match the similar numbers from left hand side and right hand side. Like this is 1. Now child will going to search for number 1 in this column. We're going to make a circle and match like this. Now you can use different colors also for these numbers, so that child will going to learn the colors also, right? Then number 5. Child will going to search for number 5. You can draw different shapes like this. Number 5 matched with number 5 on this side. So you can teach colors, shapes and numbers as well with this worksheet. Like this child will going to recognize this particular number in groups of number, right? Now this is the 5th worksheet, which says write the last number in the sequence in the box. Now what happens is sometimes child just memorize the numbers in sequence, and when you ask the number from between, child is not able to answer. So this worksheet practice that particular concept of child. Like you can say I have written 1, 2, 3. Then child should know that after 1, 2, 3 which number comes? Number 4. So child will write number 4 over here. Then 7, 8, 9. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. So child will going to write 10 over here. Then 2, 3, 4. Then the next number is number 5. Then 6, 7, 8. Next number in the sequence is 9. So child will going to write like this. इससे practice क्या होगी? The sequence of numbers and how to write the numbers. Now next worksheet is worksheet 6, which says count the objects in one column and match with the correct numbers in the right column. So in this child will going to count the objects, that is quantification of numbers, and will going to read the numbers and match it correctly. And afterwards child can color the pictures also. So how many dolphins? 1, 2. Now number 2, where is number 2? Here is number 2. So child will going to match like this. Then how many ducks? 1, 2, 3. Where is number 3? Here is number 3. So child will going to match like this. So child can enjoy this activity. Now this is the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. In this, count the fish bubbles and color the correct square number. In this activity helps the child to clear the confusion between numbers, right? Appearance of numbers. Like I have drawn one fish, I have drawn few bubbles. Child will going to count the bubbles and will going to color the correct square. Like let's count the bubbles of this fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So is this number 6? No. Is this number 6? Yes, this is number 6. So child will going to color the square like this. Now next fish, let's count the bubbles of this fish. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is this number 4? Yes, this is number 4. So let's color this square. Now count the bubbles of this fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Is this number 4? Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? Yes. This is number 7. So we will going to color it. Similarly for this fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is this number 9, children? No. Is this number 9? Yes. So this activity helps in number recognition, in clearing the confusion between number appearances and quantification of objects. Now this is our worksheet number 8. Join numbers dot to dot and make a picture. This is very interesting activity for the children because children loves to draw, loves to color. So they will going to read the numbers one by one. They will going to join the dots and will going to complete the picture. Like this is 1. So 1 joined with 2. 2, then 2 ke baad 3. 3 ke baad where we have to join? To number 4. Then 4 ke baad we have to join to number 5. Then 6. 6 ke baad 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have written numbers till 20 so that child can practice till 20. After 10, what comes, children? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now what is this? This is incomplete. So 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yay! We got a complete picture. Now you can color this picture. So like this, you can easily create these worksheets at home because festive season is going on. So of course, parents are getting less time for the children to create the activity. So you can simply take a sheet of paper and you can draw like this and you can do these worksheets with the children so that child will going to learn the concept and will going to revise the concept in this festive season. And if you are going to purchase this sheet protectors, it is very easy for you to repeat the worksheet again and again with the children. So I hope you like these worksheets. They are very helpful for children. Do make them and practice the counting concept with the children. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, comment in the section below. And thank you for watching.